Hey, what's going on? JD here. I've got a quick unboxing and look at CRKT's William Defense Pen 2. So we're just going to open this straight up, confidence in hand, CRKT. And there you go. It is a fairly simple and straightforward unboxing here. Just close that back up. So what you have here is the Williams Defense Pen 2, as you can see, and we'll just pull this off, it is actually a pen. So it is a 6061 aircraft aluminum Type 3 anodized for durability with a Fisher Space Pen cartridge for smooth writing at any angle and temperature. This is designed to be an EDC kind of pen. It's a low profile pen. It weighs in at about 1.4 ounces or about 39 to 40 grams. And it's about 5.94 inches in length, so almost 6 inches. And as you may have guessed, this is meant as sort of a self-defense kind of pen. Of course, it's meant to write, and it's designed to act like a Kubotan. So as you can see, when I hold it here, you know, you've got a nice little point, and that is quite pointy. I would not want to get jabbed with that. I would probably hold this with a hammer fist. They have angled the top here towards the end in the clip to give you sort of a thumb rest. I like the fact that it's a bit angled, but actually, honestly, when I press down, it does, you can see, indent my finger there a little bit, and it is got a little bit of an edge. I mean, potentially you could use it both ends, but yeah, it's a little sharp on that end, and this is quite pointy. So I would not want to get this jammed into, you know, sort of a pressure point. You can see it indents very, very easy, or jammed very, very hard. I imagine that this would actually penetrate somebody's skin quite fast. Now, it's a decent weight. Like I said, it is 1.4 ounces. It feels fairly good. Of course, the big thing here is, how does it feel as a writing utensil as well? Well, let's just pop out the book and let's give it a good old write. And my writing is terrible, but you know, do a little quick sketch here as well. So yeah, I mean, it's it feels quite good. It writes very well. I mean, that's what the Fisher Space Pen is good for. I do like how it's balanced, to be honest. It feels very good in hand. I do actually really like this pen for just writing as a whole. You know, but as far as tactical goes, like I said, you know, I have some concerns with the end cap here. Although, you know, depending on how exactly you hold it, it may be preferential to you or not. I imagine that this would be very, very effective. You can carry this anywhere, you know, and it is kind of a nice stylish pen. There isn't a huge amount of grip there. A lot of other pens, tactical pens, you will see actually fairly deep grooving. So, you know, when you get a grip, it is really a grip. That's not quite the case here. It does have some indented lines to give you a little bit of grip, and it appears to do, you know, its job. But overall, I am impressed. You can pick this guy up over at CRKT for about $64.99. I'll also throw some links below down to Amazon, where you can probably pick this up a little cheaper. This is part of my everyday carry. If you follow me over on Instagram, you will be able to see that I've been posting what I carry on a daily basis, and I've been going through them in these videos. So if you have any questions, by all means, drop them in the comments below. But that is a quick look at the CRKT Williams Defense Pen 2. Thanks for tuning in. As always, remember, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and we will catch you later. Until next time, see ya.